Let's learn how to uninstall an app in a Samsung Galaxy A07. For example, we are going to be using this WhatsApp application right here. So what you do, look at the app that you want to uninstall. Okay, long press on it. Okay, long press on it like this, then see these options. Okay, you can actually see the option of uninstall. You can actually just tap uninstall from right here. Okay, then they bring you, do you want uninstall? Then if you have this ticked, it will keep 78.88 MB of the app data, but I'm not interested in that, so I press OK, and the WhatsApp app is actually uninstalled right now. So you can actually do that. The other second option, you can actually decide to go to the Google Play Store. Okay, you can go to the Google Play Store, then search for the app that you want to uninstall. Okay, you search for the app that you want to uninstall. For example, let's use Instagram. Instagram. Search for Instagram. That's, for example, an app that is actually installed. You can see right now it's installed. Okay, then you can actually tap the uninstall option. This app was not installed by Google Play Store. Do you still want to uninstall it? Yes, uninstall. And there you go, the app is now uninstalled from the device. If you pick file in the video, consider subscribing to our channel.